In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a Counter-Strike 2 gift card very easily. So what you need to do is go to the video description where it says find gift card here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will find the gift cards option at the top interface. And then go to gaming gift cards, scroll a little bit down, and there you will find the Counter-Strike 2 option. Select that. Now all the Counter-Strike 2 options are available over here. Let's say we would like to buy the 10 USD gift card. Then select that option, open the page, and here you can select the preferred amount of currency. Let's say we would like to buy the 10 USD, then select that option, add it to your card, and after that you can go to your card. Then go to payment, continue to payment, select that option, and now you can make the payment to purchase this gift card very easily. Once you have purchased this gift card, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key to activate your Counter-Strike 2 gift card very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye!